Oh, y'all, it's rough out here. Y'all don't come out here. Whew. I can't even see. The wind has got very bad. I sent Corey to the store to get some toothpaste. This your weatherman, your ghetto weatherman, back out here again. I had to straighten my toothpaste bike up and had done fail. Whew. Now I'm coming up towards 9th Street. As you can see, the winds are picking up. Ooh, wait. It is bad out here, y'all. Good gracious. It is not nothing to play with out here. Oh shit. It is gonna be some kind of storm. Damn. As y'all can see, the wind and rain is not playing. I was going to get some ice cream. I don't know who this is in this car coming. They probably going to get them some ice cream. Shit. My toupee in my eye. As y'all can see, the winds have picked up. If you can look at how my toupee flowing. The hell look like an alligator. Woo. I'm gonna show y'all how the tree done fell over here. Oh shit. The light. Oh, if you can look here, that's from the light up there. It done came off. The tree done uprooted out of the ground at the church, but it didn't hit the window, thank the Lord. So we're gonna, oh shit. Whew. Well, I will be reporting live. We're waiting on the outer approach. Back to you, John.